Hey guys, I will show you how to fix this problem on Windows system. So first of all, just go to the search bar and type here CMD, right click on it and then select run as administrator, then select S. Now type here, we need to execute some commands here. Then type, first command is IP config space / flush DNS and hit enter. Then type in ipconfig space / renew, and then at the end type in netsh winsock reset and hit enter. Once done, we need to restart the system, but before that we will execute the next method. So type exit and just we need to open run and simply type temp and hit enter. So you will get some files and folders here, so we have to delete them. For example, I have just deleted them, so I will I will restore some of the files quickly to show you how it's done. Okay, so if I open run and go to the temp file, so we have to delete all the files and folders from here. Just select them, select all together and delete them. Again open run and this time type in temp %temp% and then click on OK. Again select all these files and simply delete them all together. Now we need to restart the system. Before that, you have to check out our pin command. That will help you a lot if to fix this issue more effectively. So like the video and please do subscribe the channel.